nothing like it, eh? Just getting out in the country. Try not to eat too many bugs. They're high in protein though, so you know, if you are after a feed, just ride around with your gob open, then catch a few. I'll tell you, the other day, that first hot day we had, was it yesterday? Yeah, I reckon it was yesterday. Yesterday when I went out, went down to Strath, and I had the full face on, and I had to clean my visor once in Meadows, and then again when I was in Strath. There's bug slag all over it. Wouldn't want to be doing the open face on the way there, that's for sure. And there were ladybugs everywhere, bloody beetles and all sorts. The week before that we were down at Haslands, going down through Aldinga and whatnot, and there was a shitload of dragonflies. Yeah, they're pretty quick. I don't think I actually got hit. Well, there's some duckies there. Look out, duckies. Come on now, duckies. Use your wings. Teach the little ones how to fly, mate. That's the thing with ducks. They're always walking across the road. Now, I know the little ones probably can't, you know, they can't fly yet. But even the big ones, mate, they can fly. You see them fly all the time. Yet they walk. I don't get it.